Hello everyone, I'm Hannah and today we are going to be talking about DNA fingerprinting and how DNA fingerprints are analyzed. DNA fingerprinting is a laboratory method that is used in forensics to closely examine fingerprints. The fingerprint shows us the DNA makeup of living things. In today's episode, we are going to be utilizing specific fingerprints to figure out who broke into Sweet Treats Bakery on Main Street. On April 25th, 1990, Dylan was walking down the street at 7 o'clock a.m. whenever he noticed that the front doors to his favorite bakery were shattered and had been broken into. He immediately reported it to the police, and a few moments later, he saw a very tall person wearing all black with a mask sneaking away from the bakery. Approximately 25 minutes later, he saw a mother and her daughter walking on the sidewalk carrying a batch of cinnamon raisin cookies from Sweet Treats Bakery. They also noticed a man leaving his home nearby who was walking his dog. The man was walking very quickly/anxiously and was very aware of his surroundings. Miss Louisa, the town gossip, was also seen getting in her car after leaving the grocery store. Everyone knew her as the lady who was jealous of the baker because she always wanted to be one, but she never made it that far. The police quickly arrived at the scene, and the witness, Dylan, explained all of the details. They investigated the inside of the bakery, and they noticed that the cash register was open with no money inside. Close by the register, there was a $50 bill. After further investigation, they found that this bill contained a set of unknown fingerprints. Each suspect's fingerprint was used and compared to these unknown prints. I have provided a picture of the gels here. First off, we can tell that the mother is biological to the daughter because in both VNTR loci number 1 and number 2, the daughter matches at least 2 of the mother's markers. Also, in order for the suspect to be considered guilty, their DNA markers must match up exactly. For VNTR locus 1 and 2 for Dylan, you can see that only one of the 4 DNA markers match up to the unknown fingerprint. Therefore, he would be consistent with being able to leave the investigation. For VNTR locus 1, the mother only matches up to 1 band and matches up to 3 of the 4 bands for VNTR locus number 2. This means that she can also be excluded from remaining a part of the investigation. Next, the daughter matches only 3 out of the 4 markers for both VNTR locus number 1 and 2, therefore she is also innocent. In VNTR locus 1, the dog walker matches up to the unknown fingerprint exactly, but does not match all loci for VNTR locus number 2. Therefore, he is also eliminated because all of his DNA markers do not align exactly with the unknown print. Lastly, we can see that all of the DNA markers for Miss Louisa match up perfectly to the DNA markers of the unknown fingerprint. Therefore, she would be excluded from being able to leave the crime scene.